Hey, I'm back here and have brought for you a quiz based on my last video, which was about how to choose the correct verb for the given subject of the sentence. Before you start taking part in the quiz, I want to remind you the first and the foremost important point, and that is keep in mind the number of the subject or the noun or pronoun of the sentence. Means whether it is given in plural form or singular form. Once you determine the number of the subject, it becomes easier for you to choose the right verb form for your sentence without any delay. At the end of the activity, I will out loud the names of those who correctly answered the last quiz that was on present tense. All the answers of the quiz are also given at the end, so that you can check your score and post it to me in the comment box. 10 seconds are given for each sentence to be read properly and think about your answer. If you need little more time, you can press the pause button, read the sentence carefully and answer thoughtfully. A small activity is also added in this video. You need to attempt it and post your answers in the comment section. I really love to read and answer the post of the comment section. So let's get going.
Zombie apocalypse. Zombie apocalypse.
The first sentence is many students dash started attending the classes now, and the options are have and has. The second sentence is the United States dash a big army, and the options are has and have. Our third sentence is either of the books dash good, and the options are and is. Our fourth sentence is Tom and Jerry dash with each other. Options are fights and fight. Next is the Prime Minister with his ministers dash present in the Parliament, and the options are were and was. Our next sentence is people nowadays dash shifting from WhatsApp to Signal or Telegram, and the options are and is. Next sentence is rice and wheat dash available there at the shop, and the options are and is. Our eighth sentence is she sometimes dash by aeroplane, and the options are travel and travels. Our ninth sentence is Sarah as well as her friend dash eating fast food, and the options are enjoy and enjoys. Our last sentence is my jeans dash worn out. I need to buy a new pair of jeans, and the options are is and are. Now it's the right time to check our answers and score. Many students have started attending the classes now. The United States has a big army. Third sentence, either of the books is good. Sentence number 4, Tom and Jerry fight with each other. The fifth sentence is the Prime Minister with his ministers was present in the Parliament. People nowadays are shifting from WhatsApp to Telegram or Signal app. Rice and wheat are available there at the shop. She sometimes travels by aeroplane. Sarah as well as her friend enjoys eating fast food. My jeans are worn out. I need to buy a new pair of jeans. Let's take part in today's activity. And now it's the time to out loud the names of the last quiz winners, and they are Tavleen Kaur, Tanmay Ratta, Stuti Raj and Tanushri Saxena. Let's give them a big round of applause. That's all about today's quiz. If you really enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Stay connected, stay happy.